For this demonstration, 2 user accounts have been created. User 81 belongs to a manager in the payroll department, is a member of the manager's group, and is a limited account in the workgroup environment and a restricted account in the domain environment. User 82 belongs to an employee in the accounting department, is a member of the accounting group, and is a limited account in the workgroup environment and a restricted account in the domain environment. The public folder has been created in the root directory of drive C. The public folder contains 2 subfolders, Manuals and Library. The library folder contains the subfolder Miscellaneous. In this demonstration, you determine the default NTFS permissions applied to the public folder on a computer running Windows XP Professional in a workgroup. You stop a group from inheriting permissions from its parent object. You delete a group that has been assigned NTFS permissions for the public folder. Finally, you add a user and apply NTFS permissions to the user object for the public folder. You are currently logged on locally. That is, you are logged on to the computer at which you are seated, with a user account that has administrative privileges. Right-click My Computer, and then click Explore. Expand Local Disk C. Right-click the public folder, and then click Properties. Windows XP Professional displays the Public Properties dialog box with the General tab active. In a workgroup environment, the Properties dialog box for folders do not have a Security tab by default. Click Cancel to close the Public Properties dialog box. On the Tools menu, click Folder Options. Windows XP Professional displays the Folder Options dialog box with the General tab active. Click the View tab. Clear the Use Simple File Sharing checkbox. Click OK. Right-click the public folder, and then click Properties. Windows XP Professional displays the Folder Options dialog box with the General tab active. A Security tab is also available. Click the Security tab to display the permissions for the public folder. The Everyone group has full control permissions. The Everyone group is the only group or username listed, so it is selected. Click Remove. Windows XP Professional displays a security dialog box indicating that you cannot remove the Everyone group because the group is inheriting permissions from its parent. Click OK to close the security dialog box. Click Advanced. Clear the checkbox labeled Inherit from Parent the permission entries that apply to child objects. A security dialog box appears asking if you would like to copy the current parent permissions to the group object or remove them from the group object. Click Copy. Click OK to close the Advanced Security Settings for Public dialog box. Windows XP Professional displays the Public Properties dialog box. You can now remove the Everyone group from the Group or Usernames box. Select Everyone and click Remove. You can now apply NTFS permissions to the public folder. Click Add. Windows XP Professional displays the Select Users or Groups dialog box. In the Enter the Object Names to Select text box, type User81 and click OK. The Public Properties dialog box shows you that User81 has been added. By default, User81 was assigned the Read and Execute, List Folder Contents, and Read NTFS permissions. Click OK to close the Public Properties dialog box. This completes the demonstration.